my channel. Now this video is full-fledged makeup tutorial for Diwali. Before we begin with this video, I want to clarify one little thing, and that is if you heard any kind of crackers noise, then please pardon me. मेरे जो neighbors के बच्चे हैं, they started bursting crackers so early. So if you heard any kind of that noise, then please pardon me. And yeah, let's just start with this tutorial. Also, whatever the product I'm going to use in this particular video, it's my current obsession. I love all the products that I'm going to share in this video. There are some drugstore products, there are some mid-range products, and there are some high-end products as well. So yeah, I guess intro बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो चुका है. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do press the subscribe button and the notification. And yeah, with this, let's begin with the tutorial. Alright, so let's begin this video by prepping up our skin, and I am using serum, my most favorite one. As I said, I am going to use all the current favorite products in this video. I am using this L'Oreal 1.5 hyaluronic acid serum. This is the best serum I have ever used. इसके बाद I have literally stopped using every serum. So yeah, let's prep our skin with this. Links of all the products will be in the description box, so in case you want to check out. Now we'll use my most favorite moisturizer, and that's the Clinique Moisturizer. Alright, so till our moisturizer and serum set, we will prep our lips as well, because it's the festive season and no one likes the chappy and cracked lips. For that, I am using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Now let's move towards the primer. Generally मैं primer नहीं use करती, I use aloe vera gel, but it's a festive season, it's a Diwali, so I'm going to use this Smashbox का Photo Finish Prime Water. It's a setting spray, it's a makeup fixer, can use as a primer as well, so it's all in one product. I love this product. With this, let's move towards the foundation, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Dewy Foundation. If you don't want any dewy foundation, you can create your own dewy foundation at home. Take your highlighter and then mix it with your matte foundation, and you will get your dewy foundation just like this. Also, if you don't want any kind of highlighter, don't worry, you can still create dewy foundation. कुछ नहीं करना. Take your eyeshadow palette, and her eyeshadow palette में shimmer colors होते हैं. Mix them with your matte foundation, and आपका dewy foundation ऐसे तैयार हो जाएगा. Also, there is one more trick. If you own any kind of strop creams, I will insert the picture of my two favorite strop creams over here and here. The first one is MAC, of course, hands down on this. The second I love is the next one. If you own any kind of strop cream, then you can mix them with your foundation, or you can apply them before your foundation, but of course after a primer. It's time to blend our foundation, but before that I want to answer one question जो मुझे repeatedly DMs में snap में पूछा जाता है. It's that कि मेकअप लगाने के बाद हमारा जो नेक और स्किन का कलर है, या फिर ईयर्स और नेक का कलर है, वो हमारे फेस के कलर से मैच नहीं होता. It's just because that you are not applying foundation to your ears and neck, and this is the reason why you see the little bit of color difference. So always make sure whenever you apply your foundation, आपका जो भी नेक एरिया है जो visible है, उस पे भी आप थोड़ा सा कवर कर लो. I generally do not like to put a lot of layer of makeup, so I am directly moving towards the concealer, and for that I am using my tube of the favorite one. The first one is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and the second one is LA Girl Pro Concealer, the most favorite one. Why I'm using two concealer? It's just because that I want to highlight the under eye area, nothing else. Firstly, I'm going to use the pack, and second, I'm going to use the Age Rewind by Maybelline. highlight under eye area, I am using this second one concealer. A little bit on my eyelid, so you know आई मेकअप बहुत अच्छे से सेट हो जाए. Now, without wasting a second, I am going to set my concealer with the most favorite product, the K-Beauty powder. I cannot live without this powder, and I guess मैं अपने सारे वीडियो में इसकी तारीफ कर चुकी हूँ, so I am not going to say a word about this. Now this is an additional step. I am going to set my base, and then only I am going ahead with the blush, highlighter and all the eye makeup, just to make sure that all the base product sets well. Time to play with some eyeshadow, and for that I take out my most favorite palette, the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde. First I am using this shade, and next I am using this shade. I just pray camera can do justice because these shades are so. For the outer corner, I am using this shade with this pointed fluffy brush. Next I am going to take this brush to make sure that all the color sets and blend beautifully. Taking the same shade to my lower lash line using this angular flip. Now taking this beautiful shimmer shade, it's called Galaxy. Alright, so I'm very satisfied with my eye look, but I'm gonna thinking to move towards monochrome look. But I'm not going to do that. For my inner corners, I'm going to use this white shimmer shade. It's time to do our brows, and for that I have this Maybelline ka brow pencil. I don't know name, but I will mention over the screen and the description box below because ये मैंने इतना use कर लिया actually. पूरा name चला गया. Of course, this is not my favorite. मेरी जो favorite थी, unfortunately Nykaa ने उसे discontinued कर दिया है. So I have to work with this now. So it's time for putting some eyeliner, and for that I am using the K-Beauty one. This is a liquid liner and I am so in love with this. I rarely use a liquid liner because I feel for me sketch pen liner is much more easier than that, but it's okay, it's festive season and I can take a lot of time to get ready, right girls? The reason I love this K-Beauty liner is that इसका brush इतना ज़्यादा precise है, इतना ज़्यादा thin है that you can literally get the thinnest liner and आप इसको proper एक wing liner look भी create कर सकते हो. I am not going for the wing liner because पता नहीं मेरा mood नहीं है. फिलहाल तो मेरा mood कर रहा है to apply some mascara, and for that I am using this one, my most favorite one, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Nothing can beat this beauty in a budget. A good mascara can literally change the whole eye game. It's time for the blush, and for that I am again using the K-Beauty one. I am in the shade Coral Charm and this blush is very pigmented. let me give a little bit of tip again on the bronzing and the contouring. Like, I get a lot of question on this. If you do not want any kind of particular product on that, do not worry, just use your brown eyeshadow if possible, if you are comfortable, and most importantly, if you are confident using a powder product. If not, then do not worry, use your any nude or brownish color lipstick to contour your face. And with this, let's move towards the highlighter. And I have one more product from K-Beauty again. This is in the shade Champion Frizz. With this tutorial comes to an end, and let's end with a beautiful lipsticks. And I'm using this Smashbox Bed Alert. On top of this beautiful shade, I'm using the little bit of nude shade, and it's in the driver's seat. We are done with our makeup, and now let's set again with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I am using this as my setting spray as well. And I'm really sorry for the sudden cut. I got urgent call, and उसके बाद जो मेरी लाइट की बैटरी है वो dead हो चुकी थी. So yeah, we are already end with this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this, and now it's time to reveal the final look. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. And that's the final result. I'm not going to do much with my hairs. I like to keep it open. I just add a really heavy piece of jewelry, some bangles, a classy watch, and I'm all set to rock Diwali party. With this video comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to do all the good things like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, happy Diwali!